Welcome to Financial Freedom and Finance channel. Here we upload videos to give you a helping hand in reaching your financial goals. We hope to give you tips for achieving financial freedom using finance one video at a time. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about financial literacy. In today's lesson, we are going to explain how to invest using the money of other people. You should never use your own money when doing business. There is a very popular expression that you should learn how to use. You can never say, "I can't afford it." The right way to say this is, "How can I afford it?" Lazy people usually say, "I can't afford it," or "I don't have the money to afford it." This is the main reason why these people are still poor. They have a poor mindset. So, instead of finding a way to raise their money, they prefer to stay poor. Because everybody has the power to learn how to raise money and not be poor. Some people think that a bachelor's degree and a PhD are going to carry them, but that is not true. "I can't afford it," anybody can say that. Very easy and lazy expression. Again, that is the main reason of why people are poor. Most people go back to school to get higher degrees and do not learn how to raise money. Many still do not know because the majority of teachers want a paycheck, pension, and tenure. They want job security. Believe it or not, there is no security in any job. So, the teacher's mindset is different, and that's what they teach to our children that go to school every day. "I can't afford it," you can never say this. You must figure it out how you can afford it. "How can I do this? How can I do that?" Never "I cannot do it." Let me say, it's good not to have money because it forces you to think and be creative. You educate yourself, you talk to rich guys about how to do things. What will happen to you is that you never would need money because you will figure out how to raise it. Many people say, "I can't afford it, I want free food, free education, free schooling." That is laziness. Everybody has the power to get educated on how to raise money. You should change your mindset. That would change everything. If you have an open mindset, you can really change your life. You should start investing. It is not complicated. You just have to find an asset. Look for a lender with a reasonable interest rate and assure them that you will pay them back. So, in a few words, you pay that mortgage with all expenses and the net income left, it's money that you put in your pocket. Remember cash flow and debts. If the debt put money in your pocket, it is an asset. You can also find 100% finance deal and you don't have to do money or a down payment. Also remember that the only way to generate money is using debts. Don't be lazy, don't use your own money, use other people's money. Don't be that type of person that says "I can't afford it," be the type of person that says "How can I afford it?" Love doing business, love real estate, love asking money from lenders, and investing in what you love. Don't do what you love, that will keep you poor. Always look at good business, new real deals. To conclude this lesson and going back to the original question. Lazy people use their own money and say "I can't afford it." Just find a way to afford the deals. It's harder to go out there and raise $1 million, it's easier to say "I can't afford it." That is it for today's video. I hope you were able to learn a thing or two about how to use other people's money, handling your finances, and where you should get started if you want to achieve financial freedom. We will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.